So lastly, we are closer to the end of the IAM section, and we simply want to talk about security tools really quickly. And these security tools, we have the first one, which is the IAM Credentials Report. Now, this IAM Credentials Report is just a report that lists all your account users and their status of their various credentials. Okay, like their login, the last time they logged in, and some basic informations. Okay, and then we have the second one, which is the IAM Access Advisor. This is usually on the user level. Okay, and it shows the service permissions granted to a user and when those services were last accessed. And you can simply use this information to revise your policies. So to make this simple for you, again, the IAM Credentials Report is just a credentials report that you can also download that shows the security status of all IAM user, and then it will show the security status, for example, the password, whether they enable it or not, whether they enable multi-factor authentication or not, whether they created an access key, and if it's active or not, the last password used, and so just few details like this. Okay, it just shows who is secure and who is risky. And for the second one, which is the IAM Access Advisor, it just shows what service a user or role actually used. Okay, so if a user has used some certain services, like some of the services, we've not really worked on any service, but there are some services which you might have used that you don't even know. Okay, and in that case, you need to check the Access Advisor to see all the services they last accessed. Okay, and you can check the last time they accessed it. Okay, and for example, if I used an EC2, which is an example of a service in AWS, maybe 2 days ago, you'll be able to see when last they used it, right? And if they never used Amazon S3, which is on that service, you would see that there. Okay, so this matters because you want to remove unused permissions, and you also want to give them the least privilege permission or policy. Okay, and you want to also reduce attack surface. So if they are not using any service, you can just simply remove them from that. So in summary, AWS Access Advisor shows what permissions are actually being used. And finally, the credentials report is just simply saying, are the users secure? And then the Access Advisor just simply means, are permissions really needed?